What if the legendary Jeep Wrangler evolved into something even more capable, more practical, and more adventurous than ever before? And today we're exploring the exciting possibility of the all-new 2027 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon pickup truck, a vehicle that could combine the iconic off-road DNA of the Wrangler with the everyday utility of a rugged pickup. From the very first glance, the 2027 Wrangler Rubicon pickup truck looks ready to conquer terrain that would stop most trucks in their tracks. Its design stays true to Jeep's heritage while introducing a more muscular and modern appearance. The signature 7-slot grille remains front and center, flanked by advanced LED headlights with a bold new lighting signature. A redesigned front bumper improves approach angles while giving the truck a tougher and more aggressive stance. The extended pickup body transforms the Wrangler into a highly practical adventure machine. Strong character lines run along the sides, while widened fenders accommodate larger all-terrain tires. High ground clearance, steel skid plates, tow hooks, and reinforced underbody protection make it clear that this truck is built for serious off-road exploration. At the rear, the cargo bed offers plenty of space for camping gear, tools, bikes, and everything needed for a weekend adventure. One of the most exciting aspects of this imagined 2027 Rubicon pickup is its off-road capability. Jeep has always been a leader in this segment, and this truck could push those limits even further. Heavy-duty Dana axles, electronic locking differentials, disconnecting front sway bars, and an advanced rock track 4-wheel drive system would provide exceptional traction across mud, rocks, sand, and snow. Massive off-road tires paired with upgraded suspension components could allow the truck to tackle extreme trails with confidence. The suspension system may receive significant improvements to enhance both comfort and capability. Advanced shock absorbers and revised spring tuning could help smooth out rough terrain while maintaining excellent control during highway driving. This balance between rugged performance and everyday comfort would make the Wrangler Rubicon pickup suitable for both adventure seekers and daily commuters. Inside, the cabin could be one of the biggest upgrades over previous generations. Jeep is expected to continue improving interior quality, bringing premium materials and modern technology throughout the cabin. Durable surfaces designed to withstand outdoor adventures could be combined with soft-touch materials, contrast stitching, and available leather upholstery. The iconic Wrangler character would remain intact while delivering a more refined experience. At the center of the dashboard, a large touchscreen infotainment system could provide access to navigation, smartphone connectivity, vehicle settings, and off-road performance data. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto would likely come standard, allowing drivers to stay connected wherever their journeys take them. Multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and an upgraded premium audio system could further enhance convenience and entertainment. Passenger space could also see improvements. With increased cabin refinement and clever storage solutions, the truck would offer greater comfort for long road trips. Foldable rear seats, hidden compartments, and versatile cargo options would make it easier to carry gear while maximizing interior functionality. Under the hood, Jeep could offer several powerful engine choices. A turbocharged 4-cylinder engine may serve as the standard option, delivering an excellent balance of power and efficiency. For buyers seeking more performance, a robust V6 engine could remain available, providing strong towing capability and proven reliability. Jeep may also introduce an updated plug-in hybrid powertrain, building on the success of the Wrangler 4Z lineup. The hybrid version could become one of the most attractive options in the range. By combining electric motors with a gasoline engine, it could deliver instant torque for off-road driving while improving fuel economy during daily use. Drivers could enjoy quiet electric operation on certain trails while still having the confidence of a traditional engine for longer adventures. Rumors also suggest the possibility of a high-performance variant inspired by the Wrangler 392. If Jeep decides to bring V8 power to the pickup lineup, enthusiasts could see extraordinary horsepower figures and thrilling acceleration combined with legendary off-road capability. Such a model would undoubtedly become one of the most exciting trucks in its class. Towing and hauling capabilities are expected to improve as well. With a reinforced frame and upgraded drivetrain components, the 2027 Wrangler Rubicon pickup could handle trailers, boats, campers, and recreational equipment with ease. Increased payload capacity would make it a practical choice for both work and adventure lifestyles. Safety technology is likely to take a major step forward. Modern driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, lane keeping assistance, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system could all be available. These systems would help make the truck safer and more convenient whether navigating city traffic or exploring remote trails. Another area where Jeep could innovate is customization. Wrangler owners have always enjoyed personalizing their vehicles, and the pickup version could offer even more possibilities. Removable roof panels, detachable doors, bed accessories, roof racks, off-road lighting packages, winches, and numerous Mopar upgrades would allow owners to create a truck tailored to their specific needs and adventures. The exterior color palette may include classic Jeep shades alongside bold new options designed to highlight the truck's adventurous personality. Combined with unique wheel designs and Rubicon exclusive accents, the pickup would stand out wherever it goes. As competition in the off-road truck market continues to grow, the 2027 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon pickup truck could carve out a unique position by offering authentic Jeep capability with the versatility of a pickup bed. Unlike many competitors that focus primarily on performance or utility, this truck would aim to deliver the complete package: legendary off-road ability, practical cargo space, modern technology, and unmistakable Jeep character. For outdoor enthusiasts, overlanders, campers, and adventure seekers, this truck could become the ultimate companion. Whether climbing Rocky Mountain trails, crossing desert landscapes, towing recreational equipment, or simply driving through the city, the Wrangler Rubicon pickup would be designed to handle it all with confidence and style. While Jeep has not officially revealed every detail, excitement continues to build around what a next-generation Wrangler-based pickup could bring to the market. If these expectations become reality, the 2027 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon pickup truck may redefine what buyers expect from an off-road pickup and strengthen Jeep's position as one of the most respected names in adventure vehicles. What do you think about the all-new 2027 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon pickup truck? Would you choose it over other off-road pickups on the market? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest automotive updates from Car TV. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.